Hello, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. I am very excited today as today I am finally doing this video, which is what is in my bag. This is my everyday bag. Even if the bag changes, the stuff is constant. So today I'm going to show you guys what do I carry in my everyday bag, and I'm super excited to finally reveal some personal information. This is personal. I feel every female's bag is personal, as everyone has their own requirement. So I thought that, like, a few of my friends had been actually suggesting that I do this video, and I thought of finally doing it. So let's begin without wasting any time. So this is the bag I carry. I cannot carry a bag bigger than this on an everyday basis. That's because I'm not comfortable carrying a very heavy bag on my shoulder. So let's see what's in there. So the first thing that you see is this Bobbi Brown lip gloss, and it's in the shade Forever Chill. This is my favorite lip gloss. This is what I have on my lips right now. Looks stunning. So I have a lot of lipstick and lip glosses in my bag. So the next you see is this Tarte lipstick. This is the Busy Gal gloss. This is a gold shade. You can see how beautiful it is. Let's top this up and see how it looks. So I've just taken a bit. Oh my god. Guys, so you know why I love glosses. Just for that pout. Look at how stunning that is. So this is the second gloss that I carry. I have a lot of lippers in my bag. The third thing is my Gucci Bloom. This is a roll-on. So just to smell good. Oh, this is a beautiful floral fragrance. I love this. I have the bigger bottle as well, but this is more like a pocket perfume that I carry. The next thing is a sanitary napkin. I do carry tampons and sanitary napkin. I switch depending on my comfort, so I keep one of the two at least, just to be safe. The next thing that I carry are my AirPods Pro. These are a must have. I cannot do without them. I need my AirPods all the time. So the next thing is this Maybelline Colossal liner. This you've seen, it's like almost gone. So I have a few lip products and a makeup touch-up products that are there always in my bag. Next is this Simply Nam Pink Petal. This is a newly launched, tint and lip balm, everything. This is like all in one product, basically. So you can see how obsessed I am with lip products. So this is Force of Nature Bobbi Brown lip gloss, and I love this shade. It's a beautiful peach shade, and I cannot top anymore. I've already applied two glosses. Next is this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. It's a pocket mascara. I got it as a free product with my other Anastasia products. So next is this cute lip mirror from Huda Beauty. This I got in the PR, so you can see how cute it is. Well, next I have is this nail filer. This is a handy disposable nail filer, and I think I scratch myself too often. So at times, just to file my nails a little, this really helps. Next, I have my visiting card. As a makeup artist, my license is there, and after that, I also have this medicine that I take. It's a painkiller required during my period, so I always have it handy. This is a painkiller I cannot do without. Next is a toothpick, because I feel if it gets something gets stuck in my teeth, I just get annoyed of that. Some cash. Next, I have this empty mascara bottle. So I just use it to fix my hair a little, to fix the flyaways, and it comes in really handy if you're having a bad headache. A rubber band, that's a must have for like every girl. You can't do without a hair tie. A little bottle of Vaseline. If I have any sort of dryness, I have a very dry skin type, so I keep it handy just in case. Rather than a cream, I definitely have hand cream and foot cream in my bag in general, but this is a smaller bag, so it has Vaseline only. And I hope you enjoyed this what's in my bag video. I'll see you very soon. The bag is empty, you can see. More cash, of course. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye.